everyone, welcome to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and today we'll be doing unboxing of a solar technology which is very useful if you are facing frequent power cuts. This is very relevant to me right now because in our place there is a construction of an overbridge going on and we do not have current for 12 hours per day. It's a very difficult time, and this one in that case is coming very handy to me. Why? I will tell you why. This one is made by AgniSolar and the quality of this is really nice. I have had a look on this before the unboxing so I know that the quality of this is really nice. So this is the solar home lighting kit 3 and it's also written in Hindi. It's made in India, not made in China, so I really like that. And what it has, this is a solar panel, 3 bulbs, and you have a unit, main unit where the battery is, and you can charge your mobile phone with this. I will show you, I will set it up and show you later in the video. So let me show you on the box. So this is from AgniSolar Systems, Pune. And the MRP of this is 5,200, but I got this for around 3,400 rupees. I'll put the link of that below. I got this from Amazon. Okay, sorry, I was wrong. The country of origin is China. Yeah, this is a little bit misleading because it's written in Hindi here. Okay, yeah, apologies. Okay, technology, it seems that we cannot escape from China. Okay, so polycrystalline solar panel, long lasting lithium ion battery. Lithium ion batteries are always nice, it lasts a little bit long. Bright LEDs, okay, and polycrystalline, that means it will last longer. So easy to install, USB port for mobile charging, operational time up to 26 hours. So if you can set up all of these things, it will last you, it says 26 hours, but around say it's 15 hours or something. Okay, designed and development in India. Okay, so it's not made in India, it's made in China, but this is designed and developed in India. I don't know what that means. So yeah, contains crystalline solar panel, 3 bulbs, control box with inbuilt battery, 5-in-1 charging cable. All right, we'll see all of this. All right, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. And okay, so first right off the box is the solar panel. This is it. You can see the individual solar panels here, and as I said, the quality of this is really nice, very heavy. So the wire, it goes here. You can also hang it via screws if you feel like that outside. And one thing which I like about this, the wire is very long. It's almost 2 meters, or not even 2 meters, 3 meters. This is actually around 15 feet long. So yeah, you can just set it outside and stretch it inside your home. All right, so that was the solar panel. This is the box. Let me bring this out. All right, and these are the ports. You can charge your mobile phone from this, or you can use any mobile devices. So I will use this to power a USB operated fan, so I need that. These are the 4 ports for the bulbs, so that's nice. We'll see the bulbs in a moment. And solar home lighting system, AgniSolar, and this is the on off. Yeah, it has some power, and when you plug this in, I think this one glows. So yeah, this is the this will go here. Yeah, it fits. Yes. All right, and what else? Yeah, you can also hang this via screws in your room, wherever. And this one, I think this has the battery, but it's not very easy, and I am not going to try that. I might break this. I need this right now. Okay, so these are the bulbs. The bulbs feel a little bit cheap, but you can see the LEDs 1 2 3 4 5 6 LEDs here, but not that bad. All right, so 3 bulbs here. This is the charging part, the USB part, and thoughtfully they have given a lot of variations. So you have USB-C here, micro USB. I think there's 2 micro USB. That's really nice. This is one of the older ones which you used to charge the Nokia phones, and this is again an older one. I saw this in the, I think the Motorola Razr. Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, and that's one. You have these for the wires. That's really nice. There is something, some warranty, etc, 35% discount on next purchase. All right, and these are the 3 wires for the bulbs. That's, again, you can see these are very long. I think these are around 20 meters long, so you can just this can be fixed in a wall, and you can just stretch it to different rooms even. So let me also show you how this, the design is really nice. This goes in, this has a seal like this, and you can screw this on, so accidentally you will not be able to pull this out. So this screws on, that is really nice. And another good thing is, yeah, this is, let me show you. I think there is power, so I will just, this goes inside here, and yeah, there you go. This is how bright it is. Anyways, I will set up the entire thing and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, and what else? Yeah, another thing, let me just open this for you. Another USP of this is, or a feature of this is, this actually has switch. That's awesome. This is what was needed. And this has rating CE, everything is there, and the switch quality, I would say, is quite nice. So let me also show you. Let's do this. Another good thing is it locks in place. You see this groove here, it actually locks in place like this. And turn it on, and this is off right now. Yeah, on off. All right, I will just go set it up and tell you more about this. Then I have unboxed the product, and yeah, I'm using it right now. Real world scenario. Currently there's no electricity at my place, and what I'm doing is I'm using this in my office, and I have plugged in a USB fan here. As you can see, it is running quite properly, and I have also attached the light. This is the light, and this is how it looks. You can, as I mentioned, you can plug in 4 lights here. They have supplied 3 bulbs, so 1 2 3 4. This is how it looks, and the green light means this is on, and the red light means that this is charging. The solar panel is active, and I'll show you where the solar panel is. This is the wire, and one thing I have to say, that's very good, that the wires are so big. You can see this is the wire for the bulb that I have just shown you, and this is almost more than 12 feet, 14 feet, something like that. And also for this one I can show you. So this is the wire. As you can see, it goes from here, and I have put the solar panel out. This is the solar panel. This is charging right now, and you can see it's not very sunny right now. It's cloudy. It's I will show you the sky also, just a moment. So this is how the sky looks. You can see it's cloudy. There's the sun, and yeah, it's still charging. The red light means it is charging. So I would say this is a very useful product, especially if you do not have access to electricity, or there is a lot of power shedding, load shedding in your area. It's a bit costly, but yeah, quality it doesn't come cheap. So this is very nice. Let me just show you also. You can hang it also somewhere. I think these are the battery cases. I do not want to open it, and yeah, this is very convenient and quite portable. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Bye.